Morning viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Guys, I have some issue to show now about Grenadian people, how them deal with foreigners. You see, worse when you're even Jamaican people. Remember me tell you this. Every day me put it on social media. I got a quote from my son. I say, you not ever catch 2 months old, guys. You understand what I did? They have me in a quote. So me not mind my son. People, I pay child maintenance. The overs. Go back again. Then carry me a quote again for what? Say me owe them money. Send Bailey from yard. Say me owe them. And people when me got a quote and they rectify and then see say I lie girl I tell. When me na quote then tell me don't left. Then tell me don't left. And me did there wait. Guys, when me did there wait, Mrs. Sammons come. Sammons you know me na the quote I wait because they say me not go with me for wait. When me did there wait, Mrs. Sammons come with bang belly goat. Bag your face when you got a coat and you suck a little money out of me and now you want to suck a little blood. People, they say it is a criminal charge. Viewers and subscribers, what is a criminal charge? Or you fi call somebody bang belly goat and it's a criminal charge? Viewers and subscribers, I want to not believe this means a Jamaican. And Grenadians have me in a court for 3 criminal charge. Bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court, and you suck a little money out of me and now you want to suck a little blood. And a reality. The reason why I call a girl bang belly goat is a girl like for beg. You understand me I did and watch. She left Trinidad with a bad belly. You understand me I did and want to take it out for me. Like he want me give money for a doctor and them thing there. You understand me I did. But the girl say yo me not pay him no mind so I try to disrespect my mother. You understand me I did? And that's why I diss him up and call him bang belly goat. The girl tell the judge, you know, guy station, you know. He go in a courthouse and tell the judge, talk to the judge and tell the judge to give me summons. And the judge a lay criminal charge. Viewers and subscribers, me not lie if you tell you no. Welcome to Grenada. Grenadians do not like fucking foreigners. You hear me tell you no? Yo, what is a bang belly goat? Guys, what is a bang belly goat? Eh? People, they have me in a court. Say me owe them over $2,500. Which one way I lie them I tell. You understand me? Because when you're a foreigner now, then try to do you any fucking thing in Grenada as a foreigner. Because they don't like fucking foreigners. Grenadian people do not like foreigners. What is a bang belly goat, guys? Have me in a court. Say me owe them all 2,500 people when me rectify it. Me no lie, no go so. Money when me owe them $400, me I pay them, me I pay. And people, the judge lock me up. You hear me tell you no? Why me take me money out of my pocket and give like a bang belly goat? Grenadians do not like foreigners. And me keep on telling you, Grenadians do not like foreigners. What is a bang belly goat? Viewers and subscribers, what is a bang belly goat? Oh, you have somebody in court for bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court and you suck a little money out of me and you want to suck a little blood and I try a criminal charge. People, up no eye. Up no eye. Grenadians do not like fucking foreigners. Up no eye, want to know up no fucking eye. What is a bang belly goat? Oh, you have people in a court and lay a criminal charge about bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court. Eh? People, I'm going to tell you no. Granville Courthouse, this happening now. Right now, I go back a court the 12th of December. And you hear where fucking ass mouth judge I go tell me if me put anything on social media, she go give me life sentence. Me no fit talk about it on social media. How the fuck you go tell me no fit talk about it on social media? Dirty fucking Grenadians. Eh? You don't like foreigners. What is a bang belly goat? Eh? First thing me nah name on no blood clot labor. I don't see that. Won't have me in a court about bang belly goat. What foreigner do no? Eh? You don't like fucking foreigners. Because foreigner coming out of no country And I better fucking you know. And I don't like it because I don't have no ambition. Eh? What is a bang belly goat? A little stinking mouth judge in a Granville courthouse have me up in a court for criminal charge. What is a bang belly goat? You're more big and stink no blood clot. No like foreigners. The foreigners do no. What Jamaican do no? Eh? What Jamaican do no? Dirty fucker no. What Jamaican do no? We come out we country and a prosper. More than fucking no. Yeah, I mean I court for bang belly goat little stinking no man. Eh? You know dirty blood clot and I go tell me about if me put it on social media, you go give me life sentence. Like a stinking girl, we can't fucking read. You need to go back go study. You know blood clot.